friends, welcome to our channel, and today I am doing a science experiment in my 7th class textbook, lesson number 17. So name of lesson is effects of light and the name of experiment is scattering of light. So if you enjoy this science experiment, so please like this video. So let's get started. So for making this experiment, we want a table lamp. So I know we don't have a table lamp, so I am taking a torch. So you will also take a torch. Then we want a black paper. So I don't have a black paper. So I am taking white paper and color it and make it black paper. Then we want a sticking tape. Then we want a needle like this, or you don't have a needle like this, so you can take this safety pin. Then we want a glass beaker like this. Glass beaker is a transparent. Then we want a water, some milk and a dropper. So this is our all apparatus. So let's do this experiment. First, cover the mouth of the torch properly with this black paper using sticking tape. So let's do this. As you can see, this. So now let's make a hole here with this pin. Make a hole carefully in the center. Like this. Now take a clear water in this beaker. So let's do this. So it's now ready. So friends, we want to do this experiment in darkness. So let's off the light. Oh, so it's very dark. So friends, I am doing like this from here in darkness. Okay, so here is a hole. So I close all lights. So look at this water. So now let's pour some milk drops in this water. So here is a milk and here is a dropper. So let's pour some milk drops in this water. And mix it. So let's pour some more water. Some more milk. And let's mix this. You can mix with a spoon also. So let's do this experiment. Return. So now I open this light. So wow, watercolor looking good, but I don't know this experiment is successful or not successful. So I think this is not successful. So first I open on the lights. So in light, this water looking like this, and in lights off, the water look like this. So I think it's a unsuccessful science experiment. So because they say this hole looking like a radish and water looking like a yellow or bluish. Sorry, not bluish, red or yellowish. But it's not do like this. They called. So this is unsuccessful in my words. So in your words, this is successful or not successful? Comments down, and if you enjoy this video, please like this video, please share this video, and please subscribe to this channel. And did you want more videos? So comments down. So friends, thanks for watching this video, and we are doing this one experiment, but it's fail or pass. Comments down what you know. So please like, share and subscribe to this channel. So let's meet in our next video. Bye.